Good morning, everybody. Today is Wednesday, July 3rd. We are one day from July 4th, America's big foodathon and celebration of fireworks. But in my case, foodathon. Okay, here's a couple of things you're going to be seeing here. More than a couple, actually. You're going to be seeing some Hellmann's mayonnaise. Again, real mayonnaise. You're going to see some Grey Poupon. You're going to see some spicy brown mustard. And you're going to see a mixture of the mayonnaise, the spicy brown mustard, and the Grey Poupon. Now, there's about a half a teaspoon of the spicy brown mustard, a half a teaspoon of the Grey Poupon, and 2 tablespoons, tablespoons of the Hellmann's mayonnaise in this cup, plus a dash of dill weed, which means about an eighth of a teaspoon. Eighth of a teaspoon of caraway seed, a half a teaspoon of celery seed, mixed into this measuring cup. Okay, that's so far. All right, now here in this bowl, we have sliced thin sweet red bell peppers, some scallions, and some onions. Okay, and on top of that, we have celery seed. We have a little bit of caraway seed, and we have some dill weed. Now, when I say a little bit, that's less than a quarter of a teaspoon. So, again, back to about the eighth of a teaspoon. Just sprinkled on top of that. Now, we're going to mix that up. So that's all mixed really well. So that everything blends. All the seasonings I just told you are in there, covers everything that's in this bowl, okay? All right, now that is bowl number 2. Okay, bowl number 3 is my rinsed off canned baby shrimp that I'm gonna use for a pasta salad that I am gonna be making out of some of these ingredients, okay, that we just went through. Then we have the pasta, which is penny pasta that's already cooked. It's sitting in this pot, waiting for me to add the shrimp. Now, why do I have all these things all together? Well, here's the thing. I'm going to be making a shrimp pasta salad with the shrimp and the pasta. And some of these delicious vegetables for crunch. Okay? And I will do a mayonnaise base for the shrimp pasta salad. But it will be a little bit different than using this mixture in here. This mixture is for my potato salad. And my potatoes are cooking right now. I have 2 pots of them because I am going to be celebrating with my wonderful family on Saturday, this Sunday, the 7th. And we eat a lot of my potato salad. And of course, I'm going to make extra for myself. So that's what's going on right here. So what I'm telling you is that you need to think ahead when you're doing your meals. If you're going to be making a big celebration meal and it's going to include yourself for leftovers, why not do 2 things at once? If you can handle that, that's great. Both these recipes are in book 1 in DDK Recipe Books. So my Divas potato salad and cold shrimp salad is in book 2, and book 1 is the Divas potato salad. So get those books, pick them up, get them at Grundhofer's Meat Market in Hugo or Flicker Meat Market in White Bear on White Bear Avenue and County Road F. It is absolutely, County Road E. It's absolutely wonderful. Both of those are wonderful meat markets. You can get all your meats, your condiments there, and do your own potato salad and your Diva potato salad and your shrimp salad because it's delicious. Now this little white vinegar that you're seeing here, I'm passing a couple of times. This is what I'm going to be using because this is very mild. Okay, and it's premium white wine vinegar. It doesn't have the bite of regular white vinegar, which is cheaper, okay? This is a little bit higher end, but it's not a lot of money. It's $2.29 for a big bottle like this. You don't use very much. I use that in my mayonnaise base for my potato salad and for my pasta salad. And when I do several other things, like when I'm going to do a mild vinaigrette salad. So do keep this all in mind when you're making these ingredients, when you're making these salads. It's important to have quality ingredients, like the half and half that I mix to do the creaminess, make the creaminess for my potato salad and for my pasta salad. So keep this all in mind. I want you to try these recipes. I'm going to get busy now and get going so I can put all this stuff together because I have plans too. I hope you're having a wonderful day and you're getting ready for your wonderful holiday, which is tomorrow, guys. Can't wait. Foodathon, foodathon. Ciao for now.